Did you know a bad credit score could cost you lakhs in extra interest or even get your loan rejected altogether? In this video, I'll break down what a credit score really is, why it matters, and 5 simple ways to boost it fast. Let's make your money work smarter. Now, before you start watching this video, we will see what you will learn after you are done watching this video, right? So, what is a credit score? Then why it's so important and how to improve your credit score? This is the main point. And final motivation and call to action at the end. Now, let's start with what is a credit score. Your credit score is a number between 300 to 900, where 300 means red and 900 means green. Now, it tells banks and lenders how trustworthy you are with money. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting a loan, credit card, or even buying a house. So it's better chance of getting loan, credit card, and buying a house, and many more. Now, let's move towards another point. Why it's so important nowadays, right? Why does this number matters? This is the first question. Because it affects everything related to borrowing money. A higher score is equal to lower interest rates. Here you can see higher score mean lower interest rate. Faster approvals on home loans, personal loans and car loans. So let's say if you are applying for either of these and many more others, then in that case if your credit score is good, then you will get lower interest rate. Even some employee might check your credit score too. Okay, so here is the deal. A person with a credit score of 800 might pay 50,000 less in interest than someone with 600 credit score. Same loan, different score. That's why this matters. Okay, now let's move to third point, how to improve your credit score. Here, first thing is pay on time and every time. Never miss a credit card or EMI due date. Even one late payment can drop your score too. Okay, so make sure you pay it on time. This is the first point. Another point, keep credit utilization below 30%. If your card limit is 1 lakh rupees, try not to spend more than 30,000 monthly. That means nowadays people tend to use less credit cards just because of they think that they will spend it more, but in reality if you have credit card and if you are using it wisely under the limit, let's say 30,000 monthly, if your limit is 1 lakh rupees, then it's good and it can build your credit score, and which might ultimately help you getting good interest rate when you go in front of banks to have a home loan or car loan. Third, avoid too many loans at once. Every loan application is recorded. Too many inquiries make you look risky, right? So never try to follow other families or households, like if they have purchased car, house, or a home, new home, and they took loan, that means you should also take it. No, it's not like that. If you think you can pay installment consistently and pay it on time, then only you should go for that option. Don't take too many loans altogether. Okay, so it's also affect your credit score, and you might end up thinking credit card are bad, but in reality if you use it wisely, pay it on time and under 30,000 means good utilization will increase your chance of getting loans at lower interest rate. Fourth, maintain long credit history, right? Don't close old cards if they have no fees. The longer your history, the better. Nowadays, for example, if person A is having card from 2021 and now we are in 2025, they see lots of offers going on with different banks and different companies. What they do is they close older credit card which is from 2021 and apply for another credit card after closing that one. So never do that because it builds your credit history. If you close the older one, now your old history is gone. When bank checks your credit score for loans or any other item, then it simply shows that you are new user and they won't give you the lower interest rate. Okay, so it's always good to maintain long credit history. Don't always go with multiple credit cards. One or two is okay. Just build your credit score. That's it. Fifth, check your credit report annually. Use sites like CIBIL or Experian India to check for errors. One mistake can hurt your credit score. Now let's move towards fourth point, final motivation and call to action. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a key to financial freedom. Even if your score is low today, consistent good habits will raise it over time. Start with one thing, pay everything on time this month only. Okay, and that alone makes a big difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to comment it down. I post real world money tips just like this every week. Let's build wealth one smart decision at a time. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep hustling.